4,578 black snakes, which slithered for over 3 minutes. The Devastator. So how did we do such a crazy thing here with the block snakes? First, we bought ourselves a case. Each case of block snakes comes with 15 of these boxes you see right here. Inside of each one of those boxes is 48 smaller boxes. Each one of those contains 6 tablets for a black snake. We'd like to say thank you to Rosie's Fireworks, who hooked us up with this black snake case at wholesale price. Here you can see them all laid out and we're ready to go. The neighbors started to come over and help us even as we put the block snakes into what we call the block snake cake pond that we developed. This is a patent pending operation here. Here you can see our overall display and we're zooming in on the snakes. We've got several there that still need to be unwrapped and put in the pond. And finally you get a really nice view here of a close-up of the snakes in the cake pond. Let's light them up. Here we can see the aftermath of the Devastator. Look what it did. It burned everything in its sight. It destroyed my entire yard. You move the little box aside here and you can see the grass survived underneath it. It didn't burn through the plywood. In case you're curious, that plywood was 5-ply, about half-inch thick plywood. But you look at the carnage here and it's completely burned to the ground. I took out the shovel and laid it next to it after I cleaned up the ash. Give you a little perspective on how big the area is. It's essentially 6 by 5 feet, or 30 square feet of destruction. I gave it a little bath and tried to help it recover, but as you can see from the upstairs window, nothing can survive the Devastator. We'll see what happens next year. We're very happy to report that after buying 6 pieces of sod and installing it, you give it a drink and now the entire yard is looking good again.